Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Christmas with paper. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need construction paper in festive colors like red, green, gold, and silver, along with a good pair of scissors and reliable glue. A ruler and pencil can also be very helpful for precise cuts. Make sure your crafting area is clean and flat, providing ample space for all your creative endeavors. Now, let's create some beautiful paper ornaments for your tree. You can easily fold paper into classic shapes such as stars, snowflakes, or even small angels. For more intricate designs, use small craft scissors or a craft knife with a cutting mat. Don't forget to add a touch of magic with glitter, sequins, or tiny beads to make your ornaments truly shine. Next, we'll craft some delightful paper garlands and decorations to adorn your home. Simple paper chains are a classic, made by cutting strips about 1 inch wide and 6 inches long, then looping and gluing them. You can also fold paper into charming three-dimensional shapes, like small paper lanterns or miniature trees. Use string or ribbon to elegantly hang your finished creations around the room. Finally, let's explore how paper can add a personal touch to your gift giving. Design unique gift tags with heartfelt messages, making each present extra special. You can also craft small paper boxes or envelopes, perfect for tiny treasures like jewelry or gift cards. Embellish your creations with stamps, stickers, or hand-drawn designs to truly personalize your festive offerings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.